Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts out of Dolores, Colorado. So we are talking about our advancement from white to yellow belt. So today we're going to be going over our most basic self-defense. This is for a straight arm grab. We call it single wrist grab. So our opponent is going to be grabbing our left wrist. Now, they could be grabbing our right wrist, it doesn't really matter, but for the sake of our white belts and for the sake of having something to practice, we're gonna go ahead and say that they're grabbing our left wrist. And it's a super simple idea. We're learning how to strike with the hand and the foot that is closest to our opponent. So what we're gonna do right here, okay, since they're grabbing and pulling us forward, we're gonna go ahead and do something a little sneaky, and that is to go ahead and give them what they want by moving forward. Now, as I move forward, I'm gonna go ahead and move to my wrist. I don't actually wanna think about like moving my wrist on this plane like this. This isn't the motion. Actually, what I'm thinking about is stepping to my wrist and having it stay stationary instead of trying to fight with this opponent. So you'll hear us say, step forward, pull back, all right? But that is just to help some of our younger students understand the idea that they want this elbow to bend in an effort to create a good strike for that hammer fist. So when we move forward, boom, we're gonna go ahead and hammer fist that wrist, back knuckle the side of the head, snap kick the shin or the groin, and then snap punch the nose. Quick, easy, effective. All 4 strikes are done with the right side. So again, we step forward as we pull, okay? From here, we're gonna go ahead and hammer fist, back knuckle, snap kick, snap punch. Easy, easy, easy. One of the things that I always tell people not to get caught up on is that fact that you have to get them to let go here. You're gonna be striking them 3 more times. And so that becomes really unimportant, but when we're attacking that hand, it gives them something to focus on before they can block that back knuckle. All right, then of course we like to kick the shin or the groin because that's outside of the lower peripheral vision, so they have a hard time seeing that. And then of course, one of the scariest things for any bully to happen to them is to bleed. And so when we pop them on the nose really, really good, okay, that's gonna go ahead and cause all sorts of involuntary reactions. Hopefully we'll get the nose to bleed just a little bit, but if we don't, you know, they're gonna tear up, they're gonna put their hands to their face, gonna provide us a really good avenue to escape. So one more time here. Again, they're grabbing our left wrist. We're gonna go ahead and move forward. We're gonna hammer fist right, back knuckle right, snap kick right, and then snap punch. All right, guys, so that is single wrist grab. Hopefully this helps you on your journey from white to yellow belt. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. All side.